In a remote valley surrounded by mist-covered mountains, there stood a tranquil temple where a venerable Zen master named Haruki resided. His teachings were known far and wide for their wisdom and depth. Among his devoted students was a young and eager disciple named Kaito, who sought to unravel the mysteries of life and attain enlightenment. One crisp morning, as the temple's courtyard echoed with the rustling leaves and the soft hum of distant waterfalls, Master Haruki summoned Kaito for a special lesson. They sat in the garden, surrounded by bonsai trees and blooming cherry blossoms, and the air was filled with a sense of anticipation. Kaito, to understand the path to enlightenment, you must first know yourself, Master Haruki began, his eyes reflecting the vast wisdom he had accumulated over the years. There are 4 essential things you must discover about yourself. He gestured for Kaito to sit cross-legged before him, and with a gentle nod, the teachings began. The river of thoughts. Imagine your mind as a flowing river, Master Haruki began, his voice like a gentle stream. Observe its currents, twists and turns without attachment. Let your thoughts come and go, like leaves floating on the water. Do not resist and do not cling. As Kaito closed his eyes, he delved into the river of his thoughts. At first, it was turbulent, filled with worries and ambitions, but with each breath, he learned to detach, to witness the flow without judgment. The river gradually calmed, and Kaito felt a sense of serenity as he realized the impermanence of his thoughts. Embracing the seasons of emotions, life is a journey through seasons, Master Haruki continued. Just as nature experiences the ebb and flow of spring, summer, autumn, and winter, so too do your emotions. Embrace them without resistance. Let joy be as fleeting as a summer breeze, and sadness as transient as autumn leaves. In the following days, Kaito faced moments of joy, sorrow, anger, and calm. With each emotion, he learned to be fully present, experiencing the depth of his feelings without being swept away. The cycle of emotions became a dance, and Kaito discovered that in acknowledging each season, he found balance within. Understanding the roots of actions. Your actions are the seeds that shape the garden of your destiny, Master Haruki explained. To understand yourself, reflect on the roots from which your actions spring. Are they driven by ego, fear, or genuine compassion? Explore the motives behind your deeds, for they are the soil in which your character grows. Kaito engaged in self-reflection, examining the motives behind his choices. With honesty and vulnerability, he unearthed the deep-seated beliefs that influenced his actions. Through this process, he discovered the power to plant new seeds, seeds of kindness, understanding, and empathy, discovering the silence within. Beyond the river of thoughts, the changing seasons, and the roots of actions, there lies a profound silence within you, Master Haruki whispered. In this silence, you will find the essence of your being. It is a sacred space, untouched by the external world. Seek this inner sanctuary, for it is the source of true enlightenment. Guided by Master Haruki's words, Kaito embarked on a journey inward. Through meditation and introspection, he traversed the layers of his consciousness until he reached the serene core. In the profound stillness, he glimpsed a timeless truth, a truth that transcended the boundaries of ego and connected him to the universal fabric of existence. As weeks turned into months, Kaito diligently practiced the 4 teachings, and a subtle transformation unfolded within him. The once restless river of thoughts became a calm stream. The seasons of emotions no longer dictated his inner landscape, and the roots of his actions sank deep into the fertile soil of compassion. In the quietude within, he found solace and a profound connection to the universe. One day, under the shade of the ancient cherry blossom tree, Master Haruki looked into Kaito's eyes and saw a reflection of enlightenment. The student had become a master in his own right, embodying the teachings that had been passed down through generations. In the fading light of the setting sun, Master Haruki spoke, "Kaito, you have embraced the wisdom of knowing yourself. As the river flows, the seasons change, and actions shape destiny. Remember that the truest journey is the one within. Continue to walk this path, and you shall illuminate the way for others." And so, in the quiet embrace of the temple, surrounded by the timeless beauty of nature, the master and his student shared a moment of profound understanding, a moment that transcended the boundaries of words and spoke to the eternal truth that resides within every seeking soul.